Hi, DM Adventures here. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of sailing the stunning turquoise waters of Greece, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're renting a boat in Rhodes and captaining it ourselves. Wish us luck.
Alright guys, we just got our boat and now about to get in. Perfect.
Captain. Back in the seat, it's safety equipment. You press forward. More gas, you press more. Reverse the same thing. Okay. It doesn't start like a car 2 times. But remember, if you don't have neutral, the boat
Doesn't start, no?
Yes. That's it. Bravo. Nice. Neutral.
Thank you, brother. Let's go! We are in... What ocean is this?
I think this is Aegean. Where are we going, Captain?
So our first stop is gonna be some cool place. Now I think we're gonna hang.
If you can see that tiny little dome up there, that's Astronomy Cafe, and that is where we're actually staying. It's quite beautiful and the views from up there are incredible. All right guys, we just got our boat and Didi's doing a great job so far. He's really handling the pressure and driving it well and figuring it out. The boat we rented, it doesn't require a license as long as you have a car driving license. I think you can rent this. We have the boat for 4 hours and we're gonna go around to some of the bays and we'll show you guys what it looks like on the water in Rhodes, Greece.
This is the, they have some underwater caves down there. If you see that boat over there, I think people are going to dive in there. But my boating experience is not the best, so I'm not gonna try to go too close. What do you think?
I don't think we should go any closer.
Yeah.
I think we should just watch from a distance.
Yeah. But this is a nice tour over here. But we're just admiring the beautiful Mediterranean region. There just aren't that many places in the world where a mountain starts like that from the sea. Alright guys, we just had to stop for a bit because Megan got really hungry. So we made a pit stop by the caves. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there's some amazing caves behind Megan. And just opened up some crackers. It's really good, this one.
It's really yum.
And some hummus over here. Ready?
Don't throw me off the boat. I think I got the best spot.
Let's go!
There's swimmers over there.
Yeah, that's we should have bought your floating. Alright guys, we're trying to find a spot to park and get some swim this afternoon. So Megan is our designated anchor woman and she's gonna get us anchored. Stop. Once it reaches down, you can just tie it up. Yeah, like that. Good job. Good job. I didn't know you knew how to anchor.
I do when you're not pressuring me.
I have no clue, guys, how to anchor. I come from a landlocked country, so...
I don't know how we're gonna get the anchor up.
We just have to pull it out. That's what the guy said.
Let's test this.
Try it.
Oh yeah, we can easily do it.
Pull it?
It's easy.
Easy to pull it?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Good job. We got a party boat behind us. Looks pretty fun. How's the anchor stitch, Megan?
Okay. Are you gonna swim?
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to jump from the top of the boat. but not going with camera this time because last time I did that I lost is gonna be filming me, and I'll be jumping. Don't leave me though, okay? Oh wow, this is fast. I think I'm gonna hold on to the boat.
No wonder why you said we had to anchor it before we jumped off.
Yeah, and I feel like the wind is taking me away. Where it is gone. There are literally like thousands of tiny fish down here. Alright everyone, so our boat is stuck. So our anchor is stuck on the rocks. And the funny thing is, it's just not us. There's a bunch of guys back here. They're in the same situation, you know, their anchor is stuck in the water as well. I think it's too rocky down here, right? Holy moly. Guys, that was such a trip. We did a good job. Like, you couldn't do this alone, man. We were stuck here for like a good 1 hour. Yeah, I got it.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
I got it. No worries. We're good. We're good.
Oh my gosh. Nothing is packed down or ready for that.
I know.
Alright guys, we got our anchor stuck underneath the rocks. Our boat was stuck in a passageway. A huge cruise ship was coming through. There was another little small boat that was also stuck, and the wind was blowing both of our boats into each other, and we both had anchor stuck. There was nothing we could do about it. I was pulling, Dee Dee was sitting there. I got Dee Dee to come and pull. It was a very stressful time. I have extreme rope burn on my hands. I was crying, I was panicking. Dee Dee wanted to call the rental company, but I didn't want to call the rental company because they were going to charge us 40 euros to come and fix it. But we did it.
Sounds good.
I'm sorry we did not vlog the emotion.
You have to push it harder. Alright, YouTube family, we have a new captain in the house.
That was a little fast.
It's fun though, right?
The boat started lifting us.
The ocean is so big, there is a traffic over here, you know.
And there's so many people out on little boats like this.
Yeah.
There's a lot of boat traffic.
Yep. This looks amazing over here. What do you think about the cliff?
Nice.
Pretty interesting, right? Guys, I don't know how these rocky structures have popped out on the side of the ocean. What do you think, Megan?
I think it was from a volcano.
Volcano? Those look like volcano rocks. We're about to head back, but we're going against the wind, so getting a lot of water in my face right now. Look at this. Any suggestions, Megan? What are you doing back here?
It's so windy, I'm trying to dry the towel.
Good try. I think it's gonna work.
This has been a really fun, but a lot of responsibility and a tad bit of stress.
Yeah. Oh.
I can't see anything.
Go slower.
No.
And the water is so salty right now.
I got salt in my
wonderful captain, I'm sure. Take us out.
Time to return the boat and end our day.
Nice job. All right, thank you so much. So this is how you pull the boat back, guys.
Did you find the gas?
Sorry? Yeah, I did. I just had to push.
Yeah. The boat was good. Any problems?
No, nothing.
Glad you had a good time.
It was great. Thank you so much.
And take a couple of them when you buy your boat. You can put it in there.
Oh, thank you.
So welcome to Rhodes, everybody.
Thank you.
All right, okay.
How can we find you? If somebody wants to rent a boat, how do they find you?
Look for Rock My Boat, Faliraiki, rent a boat. We're gonna be here. No worries.
It's time to leave.